Hey y'all. Okay, work has finally gotten underway on our master bedroom suite. I have finished installing the doors. I hired out the installation of the flooring, which was a huge load off of my shoulders. So I've hired somebody to install the flooring and also sand the flooring, but I'm gonna do the staining and the polyurethaning. In the meantime, I've been in here in this bedroom doing a lot of drywall stuff, which I hate. I hate doing it, but I had hired a contractor to do this stuff at the end of last year and ended up kind of firing him before the job was finished. So it's no big deal. I'm just gonna do the rest of it myself. So that's what I've been working on. It's not fun, but it has to be done. So let me show you around a little bit. Okay, first up, here are the doors that are finally installed, and they actually fit now. They fit, they close. I'm not gonna put the trim on until the floor is finished, so it'll still be a while for that. Here's the flooring that they got done on Friday. So all of this is done, and then this middle section in here. And then they got all of this cut and ready to install. So what I've been working on is just all of the drywall. So all of this over here was pretty rough, so I had to do a skim coat of drywall mud, all up there, all on the ceiling. Let me flip around here. So I had to do all this line. This is where the closets were installed. So when I took those closets out that I had built, it left a line on the ceiling that needed to be repaired. All of this, they had to take that out in order to do the plumbing. My dryer has a steam function on it, so I need a water hookup for my dryer. So the contractor had to cut out part of the ceiling for that, so I had to finish up the repairs on that. And I've just been doing lots of little repairs all over the walls. So I just ran out of drywall mud, but I'm working on this section right now. And my goal, I hope that I can get it done by the end of the day, is to get all of this room primed. I'm just tired of seeing this stuff. I want to get everything all the same color. I want to get it all white. Plus, I bought 2 paint samples for this room. Okay, y'all, I am exhausted. I've been in here for several hours sanding and sanding and sanding, and I am covered from head to toe in drywall dust. I didn't get it all sanded, which means I also didn't get it primed. I'm disappointed about that because I wanted to see those paint samples up on the wall, but it'll have to wait. I'm very close. So I'll show you what I did get done. It's nothing too terribly exciting, but you know, the boring part has to come first. So let me show you. Okay, the biggest problem areas were this area right here, and then this area here. So I got everything mudded, and I got all of these areas sanded. The lighting in here is terrible, especially at night. But anyway, I think you can tell that everything is smooth now. So all of these areas are sanded. And then I also got just little spots on the walls done. I still have to sand these two areas here and here, but I got this wall sanded. So besides those two areas on the wall, then I also have to do the ceiling. I don't know why I'm saving the worst part for last. I mean, I hate sanding ceilings, but anyway, that's gonna have to be done still. I dread it, but that's okay. I can do the things I don't like. So anyway, that's the progress, and I'm so close to being able to put primer on these walls and then test out some paint colors.